In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you need to access canvases in Slack. Open up your Slack application, and once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll want to find the option labeled Files and give it a click. Now from there, look for Canvases. Once you select Canvases, you'll be taken to your main Canvas dashboard where all of your creative work can come to life. Great. Now that you're in the dashboard, it's time to create a new canvas. Look for the option that says Create a New Canvas. This gives you the freedom to choose how you'd like to start. You can decide to start fresh with a completely blank page, which is perfect if you have a unique idea in mind. Alternatively, you can select one of the pre-made templates. There are several options, such as meeting notes or project briefs. Once you find a template you like, simply click on Use Template. Now that your canvas is open, it's time to draft and format your content. The first thing you want to do is give your canvas a clear and descriptive title. This helps anyone who views it understand the purpose right away. After that, you can click anywhere on the page to start typing. Slack makes it really easy for you to format your notes. Feel free to add headers, bold text for emphasis, or even create lists and checklists to keep your ideas organized. It's a handy way to keep everything neat and tidy. And don't worry about saving your work. Slack automatically saves your changes as you type, so you can focus on being creative without the stress of losing any information. Once you're happy with your canvas and feel that it's ready to share with your team, it's time to spread the word. In the top right corner of the canvas, you'll find a button that says Share. Clicking on this will open up options for sharing your canvas with others in your workspace. Now you'll want to adjust the permissions for your team. This is important because you get to decide what level of access your teammates will have. You can choose to allow them to only view the document, or if they'd prefer, you can enable them to actively collaborate and edit the canvas alongside you. Once you've customized the permissions to your liking, don't forget to click Confirm to finalize sharing your canvas. And that's it. Now you know how to use canvases in Slack, from accessing them, creating new ones, formatting your content, and sharing it with your team. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy brainstorming with Slack Canvases.